So I'm not going to be looking at the camera, but I'm going to show you how to work with, I'm not going to show you exactly how to complete it, but I'm going to show you how to work with the Wednesday starter. Now, the Wednesday starter is going to be very significant come the end of this unit. So what I want you to see is the first thing you're seeing once you open it is you see this image. It's embedded. All you have to do is click on this full screen, and it gives you the entire image. I don't want you to move the image. I don't want you to touch the image other than when it asks you to do so. But what I want you to do is I want you to look at the two instructions. Here I have polygon ABEF. ABEF. That's the big polygon. So the first instruction says half scale. Of course, I know you guys are smart. I know you know what a half looks like. So that's just a 1/2. So what it says is I want you to make a half scale using dilation B. But guess what? I'm not going to use dilation B. I'm going to use something different, but I want you to use dilation B. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to click this button that says more. And then I'm going to continue down. We've been talking about transformations for the past 2.5, almost 3 months. So we should know how to use this transform button. Well, dilate is right here. Dilate is right here. So click on that button. Then it says select the object, then the center point, and then enter this factor, the scale factor. So here's my image. I want to dilate the polygon. I'm going to click F and imagine that that's what it is. And I'm not going to do 1/2 because I don't want to do exactly what I want you to do. I want you to come up with your own. I'm going to go ahead and dilate to 1/4 of the image. Notice F stays part of both images. And it pulls A over here and it's still on the same line. E, it would pull E up here and it would still be on the same line. Notice when I use a center dilation, that point is key in my entire figure. So the next one says 1/3 from point E, but obviously I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go ahead and go dilate from a point again, and I'm going to click on the image. And notice how the dark lines go on the outside image. They make the big image. So what I want to do is I'm going to click on point A, and in this case, I'm going to make it 1/6 of the image. It really doesn't matter what the factor is as long as you create what you know to be this thing. So when I finish here, like this one, it had a center of dilation with F. So in this case, A should be part of my image. It should be part of my image. And if I'm thinking right, then this line should also be part of this line. And this line, because this line was part of it, has to be part of this line. So now let's go ahead and click OK. And what you'll notice, it's the same image, just at a smaller rate or scale. That's what I want you to do. Once you finish that, go ahead and save it, and I'll be able to see it because it's an assignment. It'll come up, and I'll be able to check to see your understanding.